Okay, Mr. Finn, this is your exhibition. An exhibition of the new fountain for you. How's that? The solar cell isn't mounted yet because its bracket has been stained and is drying. However, this will let you see the fountain up close and personal. Probably more rocks will be added around the perimeter of the bowl. There's a solar-powered motor or pump below the bowl. That's a bowl that Dixie threw years ago, one of her ceramic pieces. And the pump has a hose sticking through the vent in the bottom, now top of the bowl, keeping the dish full, which runs over into this basin. So we have a new circulating pump system for the birdies, and I think you might be able to hear them chirping. They're all over the place here today. A lot of them in that tree over there. Let me move. I can hear them. I hope the camcorder or the phone can hear them. You see them flying through the air. They were all over the place here, but I scared them away when I started walking. So, there's a fun new fountain. And I will see if I can ship this up to Camino Island today. Thank you very much.